Cozyla Digital Calendar Plus 2 Honest Review finally ended our family schedule chaos.
How many times this week have you asked, "What's for dinner? Whose turn is it to take out trash?" Or, "Wait, who has practice today?" while staring at 3 different calendars and a whiteboard covered in crossed-out chaos? I was there every single day. If that's your life right now, keep watching. I've got something that actually fixed it. You try shared phone calendars, but half the family never checks them. You put up a chore chart, but it's ignored by Wednesday. You plan meals on Sunday, then forget the list at home on Tuesday. The mental load just keeps piling up. You're exhausted, snapping at everyone, and still dropping balls. I knew there had to be a real central hub that everyone actually used, not another app that quietly dies in the background. Then I mounted the Cozyla Digital Calendar Plus 2 on the kitchen wall, 24 inches of calm in the middle of our storm. The first morning it was up, I watched my 10-year-old walk in, tap his color-coded avatar, and actually check his own chores without me saying a word. That was the moment I knew this wasn't just another screen. It syncs every Google, Apple, and Outlook calendar instantly. Everyone's stuff in one place, color-coded, impossible to miss. The chore chart gives each kid their own avatar and points they can actually see stacking up. Suddenly, I forgot, disappeared. Meal planning takes me 8 minutes on Sunday now. Drag recipes, hit generate, and the grocery list is done. And because it runs full Android with Google Play access, I added Spotify for dinner prep, our grocery app, even a quick weather widget. It's not locked down like the others. It becomes exactly what your family needs right there where you all pass 20 times a day. It's not just me being dramatic. Thousands of families in the reviews say the exact same thing. Kids actually do chores because the big touchscreen feels like a game. The what's for dinner fight is dead, and morning chaos dropped 80% the first week. Tech reviewers keep calling the full Google Play support the killer feature most competitors still don't have. Yes, it's an investment, but when you stop wasting hours nagging, repurchasing forgotten groceries, or paying late fees for missed activities, it pays for itself fast. A few people worry the touch isn't iPad-snappy or heavy apps lag. True, it's not a gaming tablet, it's a family hub running 24/7. For what it's built to do, it's plenty responsive and rock-solid reliable. The surprise feature everyone ends up obsessed with? The idle photo slideshow. Our kitchen now rotates family pictures when no one's using it. Guests literally stop and say, "What is that thing? I need it." Imagine walking into your kitchen and instantly seeing the day, the week, tonight's dinner, and who still hasn't emptied the dishwasher, all without unlocking a phone or hunting for a marker. Imagine weekends back because Sunday planning takes 10 minutes instead of an hour of arguments. That's what the Cozyla Digital Calendar Plus 2 has given us. If you're tired of being the only one holding the family together, go check it out for yourself. I dropped the link below. Your future calmer self will thank you.